Boom, 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 boom. Okay, here we go. I've got the keys. Let's do another video on this Astra. So I've done a video on my channel not too long ago with my dad's car, and it's been quite popular. I've had people asking me to do more videos. I look like an idiot with a camera, by the way. And also it's a really nice sunny day, so it should be a good fun thing to do. So firstly, it's a 5-gear manual gearbox, really nice and smooth, nice handbrake. There's not many things I don't like about it. I mean, 6 gears would have been nicer, and probably 1.4 petrol, slightly bigger engine would be better, but it's got beautiful sort of bucket seats that give you as much support as you could possibly ask for. It's got quite a good sized glove compartment, electric windows here, and I think manual windows in there. I think what's worth doing is opening the bonnet and showing you guys what's under the bonnet. I think it's here. There we go. Okay. So in terms of servicing and stuff like that, it's really simple. You've got the oil filter there. Your filter cap is here. Little battery. The engine doesn't take that much space, so there's enough space to get into changing the bulbs. And yeah, actually very practical for the size of it. So hopefully that gives you a bit of an idea of what's under the bonnet. And for the boot, quite a lot of space. I can put in the description how many litres and stuff, but loads of space. The back seats fold, so this car can be used to transport a lot of quite heavy things. Okay. Oh, I need to put some WD-40 on the doors. Oh. Right, actually I could not check the quality because I've sellotaped it to like a head torch, this camera, so I can't really check the quality. So I'm just going to drive. I'm going to take it on some country roads and show you the acceleration and what the car can do with the 1.4 non-turbo engine. And yeah, hopefully it's a nice drive, it's a nice sunny day. To start it up, you need to press the clutch. We turn it once. Offer available. Turn it twice. Just does a check. It's got 76,000 miles. Let's start it. I've only got one GoPro, so that wasn't magic, guys. That was just me changing the position. So hopefully you've heard what it's like from the exhaust. So now let's go take it on some country roads and yeah, show you what it's like. There's nobody around, so let's go. So this particular... So look, I'm going to be honest here. So I'm sitting here editing this video. By editing, just literally just chopping a few parts out of it. And now I'm realizing that looking at this, the angle is pretty horrible. You can see too much of the top part of the car, but you can't see enough of the steering wheel and stuff. So especially for you guys, what I'm going to do is I'm going to go again, set up the stupid headset again, and hopefully give you a better view. Alright? I am determined to make this video and I hope you guys like it, so just setting this up. I'm literally putting that to get the angle right, so hopefully it works. I'm going to be driving about a mile away from the steering wheel just to get a good angle, so hopefully it's good. Okay, let's try again. So we put it into neutral, press the clutch, checking. There we go. I don't know what that sound is. Is there a CD? Ah yeah, there's a CD in there. What have we got? Vikings, very nice. Okay, so hopefully this is a better view for everyone. And yeah, let's go again. So we're going to take it on the country roads, show you what it's like, how it sounds, how it feels, how it drives. Handbrake off, indicate, and let's go. So here we've got the first obstacle. We're going to have to get up this hill, which is quite steep, with a little 1.4 litre engine. So let's see how it handles. Second gear. Put the foot down a bit more. Second gear is easy. Third gear, I'm pushing it about halfway and it keeps the speed at 31, 32 miles an hour. So it is not bad. I'm just going slow just in case there's oncoming traffic. Here we can accelerate. See, just as I want to accelerate, somebody decides to come. Okay, let's accelerate. Fourth gear, back to third gear again. So it's not super quick, but it's actually, I would say, very reasonable. You can accelerate a bit here, fifth gear. Beautiful, absolutely beautiful. What we're going to do, we're going to take it into the car park of a local park, which is really beautiful. Then we can turn it around and drive back. So it's going to be a good little tour. Every time I do those videos, there's always somebody tailgating me. Every time. Maybe something to do with the Astra. If you're on the Astra, you're always going to have somebody behind you. Apologies, that's my water bottle. As you can see on all those roads, it accelerates just nice and smooth. It doesn't have quick acceleration, but it's quite easy to drive it even without it the quick acceleration. There we go. I'm going to show you guys a beautiful view of the lake, which is an additional extra nobody expected. And actually last time I drove, I didn't even bring it here. I turned around back there, so you guys are lucky that last time didn't work, because you're going to see this beautiful park. So I think he's going to park where I want to park, of course. We'll check this. A lot of people are going to be in their cars, but look at this sunset, lake, ducks, swans. Exceptional, absolutely exceptional. And the car handled the roads quite well, I think. So we can put the handbrake and give it a 2-second rest. enjoy the view. Wow, it's incredible. Okay, and let's go back and finish this video. People come here with their dogs and stuff. Oh, it's a cute dog. Right, let's go back. You just wait there. So yeah, last time I've done a bit of a motorway. This time I've done some country roads. So next time let me know what you want to see and I will do it. I like doing those videos. Look at that, 11, 13, 15, 17, 19, 21. Basically a Formula 1. Back through the little narrow country roads. Again, second gear up the hill. This takes a bit of time. 30, third gear. Beautiful. Fourth gear. Yeah, very comfortable to drive. Apart from being a little bit slow with acceleration, the cornering, the handling is absolutely spot on. It's not a single thing I don't like. Can accelerate here. If this angle doesn't work for the camera, I'm not going again. I've already driven this car enough. There we go. Look at this narrow space. Another car approaching. And we just go around like this. Easy. Down the hill. Whoa. Whoa. Nice and slow. First gear. Boom. Boom. Avoiding the pothole. Acceleration. Second gear. Acceleration. Third gear. Perfect. So in here, I'm going to do second gear, get it parked, add this part of the video in, and that's it. Lovely. Okay, handbrake, neutral. So yeah, hopefully it gives you an idea of what the car is like. The space that it's got inside, actually, you can see here, if you sit on the back seat, I'm 6'2", and there's plenty of space for me on the back seat. So actually I can even sort of lie across the back seats really comfortably if there's a couple of pillows in there. So in terms of practicality, it is really good. Just Astra in general, and even with this 1.4 litre engine. Seatbelt off, key out. I'll let this car pass so I don't come out with this big camera on my forehead. Outside.